Hey guys, it's Glen. How are you? Hope you're doing great. I'm going to show you a really cool tool I found. Now, if you basically, it's how to colorize a black and white photo into color. So you can take any black and white photo, and I'm going to show you exactly how fast you can do it. Like it's literally about 10 seconds to do it. Why would you want to do this? Well, there's a couple of reasons. A, you're into doing Photoshop stuff, and you want a really quick way to do it. Now, I've been doing Photoshop since Photoshop came out. Changing a black and white picture to color is not that easy to do. It's a tough thing to do, but it's cool because now in 2021 we have software that can do it for us. So I'm going to show you this really cool tool that just came out recently, and you can literally do it in seconds. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to share my screen here. Let's see that I got the right. Okay. So this tool is called Snappy, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to Pixabay, and I'm going to grab a black and white image like this boy here. I'm going to show you how quick this is to do, guys. I'm going to download it, free download, and it's going to ask me free download. I'm just going to get the small version, download it right there. Hopefully that did it. Did it download? Yes, it did. Okay, I'm going to go back over to the software here. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose the file. Guys, this blows my mind, especially since I've done Photoshop for so long. Go to downloads. It's called microphone. There it is right there. Grab microphone. And watch this, guys. Submit. And it is done. That is it. Simple, simple, simple. Like, it's so cool. Now you could do this one has kind of a vintage look, because if you look at the grayscale, it's actually not a true black and white. So let's do a different one. Let's see if we can find a true black and white. And where are we here? Go back to the black and whites. And let's grab this one. Actually, no. Let's go back. And let's grab the city one and see how this one works. Free download. Download. And now we'll go back to Snappy, choose that file. And this is amazing, guys. It's just I'm watching this and it just blows my mind. Grab the city, submit. How cool is that, guys? And then you just save it. So why would you want to do this? There's another reason, really cool reason why you'd want to do this, is go over to Fiverr and search for Colorize black and white. You can see this right here, Colorize black and white. Well, guys, this guy here, he starts at like $6.58, so it's about like $5 US. So he does it for one picture. Well, if someone wants this done, they're probably going to want multiple pictures done. So think about it. You could do this multiple times. He has a basic, which is $6.58. A standard price. Let's see what he does for standard price. And he gives 2-day delivery, guys. 2 days. Well, you can do it in much quicker than 2 days. You can do it in a matter of seconds. So standard is 2 photos. So you charge 13, 16 Canadian. And then for 3 to 4, any photo is $20 Canadian. So about $15 US. Guys, you could just put this gig up on Fiverr and you can literally do it from anywhere. So that is, let me get back on here. Where's my camera? There we go. So guys, that's it. That's how cool is that? So instead of going through and doing Photoshop, like I could show you how to do it in Photoshop, but there's no point, because what this can do is seamless, quicker, and you could then take that photo, right? You could download it and take it into Photoshop, and you could adjust the hues, the saturation. You could really make it pop. You could do whatever you want with it. But the initial task of turning the black and white into color is completely done for you, and that's why I love this tool. So right below, go grab it. I think it's about $17. There's no ongoing fees. There's no subscription or anything like that. You definitely want to grab this tool if you're doing any sort of Photoshop work. It actually comes with a bunch of other really cool tools in there, like a background remover, which is really cool. But I just wanted to show you how to colorize a black and white photo to color and without using Photoshop. It's an automatic tool and you'll definitely want to do it. All right, cheers guys.